Welcome back and happy Thanksgiving Eve. Nice and mild out there this evening, but don't get used to it. It's just going to be 40s, 50s, mostly little 60s tomorrow, but mostly 40s and 50s as we get deeper into the weekend, and then maybe a little bit more sunshine down the road. Plenty of clouds out there today. We expect more tomorrow and probably for Black Friday as well, but high clouds. Let's take a look at the big picture as we look at high pressure that has been the dominant feature across Mexico. That's still allowing for what we call a near zonal flow across the Gulf Coast. We're looking at the upper level winds here at about 10,000 feet, and they're moving generally zonally, and that means from west to east. If they're moving meridionally, they're moving from the north to the south or the other way around. But right now, just a quick pattern. This means we're getting a little bit more involved with the jet stream, so a little bit more of a changeable weather pattern, especially as we go into next week. Now, across the U.S., we have no major airport issues. There were some delays in Phoenix earlier today, and then we have, always here at LaGuardia, at Newark Airport, always delays. Current at 45 minutes. It was up to an hour and a half, but one of the busier travel days of the year. You don't even need weather to really slow things down through the Northeast. Now, speaking of the Northeast, up into New England, winter storm warnings there. They're expecting 4 to 7 inches of snow beginning Thanksgiving night going into Friday. And then for us, we have this area low pressure that is going to get caught up in the jet stream and move to the north. That's why those weather watches are in effect from upstate New York on through New England. Meanwhile, for us, cloudy skies across the area, weak low pressure up toward Arkansas, and that's going to bring a cool front through the area as we head toward tomorrow morning. Now, a few spotty showers on the regional Doppler radars. Let's dial into Power Doppler 3. We can spy on those few showers, and again, not showing a whole lot as we get into the basin, a few spotty light showers, and there might be a misty drizzle through the overnight hours just about any time as our dew points are coming up into the lower 70s before that front gets here. Could even make the argument for a little sea fog trying to come in, but we'll see how that plays out. We do know, though, front on the way by about 3 to 5 o'clock in the morning. Northern parishes, here we are at 3 a.m., here we are at 5 a.m., then 7 a.m. So scattered showers with that front, maybe a rumble of thunder, but we're not concerned with a severe weather threat at this point. And then it's breezy and cooler. Look at the temperatures starting out lower 60s, staying in the 60s tomorrow. Cloud cover sticks around, maybe some breaks in the clouds, but plenty of high clouds as we head into Friday as well, but maybe a little sunshine by the afternoon. If not, we'll get the sun returning for the weekend, but it's going to feel like holiday weather for a change. Temperatures lows tomorrow morning, mid to upper 50s for the northern parishes, lower 60s I-10 corridor, same down along the coast. Then tomorrow, not much of a change, lower 60s for highs. So it's one of those what we call the noser days, where the low is the same as the high, and we say that's hitting it on the nose, where temperatures are not much warmer or cooler than the actual lows, and that's what we'll have tomorrow. Tomorrow night, getting chillier, and there'll be a wind chill in the air, lower 40s, wind chills dipping down into the 30s for most, mid 40s I-10 corridor, so certainly jackets and sweaters will be coming on out. And if you're camping out overnight for those big deals come Friday morning, bring all the warm weather gear, because it just gets colder and colder the longer that you're out there, no matter what. 61's the low tonight, 50-50 chance of those showers right toward daybreak tomorrow, but they'll move out quickly. Lingering clouds, breezy and cool for our Thanksgiving day. Temperatures no higher than the low to mid 60s with breezy north to northeast winds at 15 to 25. Chilly day on Friday. We don't get out of the 50s, and then Saturday and Sunday, sunny skies returning, but winter-like temperatures continue at least till about Tuesday of next week before milder temperatures and the chance of a few showers returns toward the end of next week. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.